I will say a few words before starting. Good afternoon, everybody. The Jal Shakti Abhiyan, a commendable program started by the Department of Higher Education, which has been heartily greeted by our institute, for which institute fully committed inception to execution. Under the guidance of Professor M.N. Doja, Director, Tripleti Sonipat, Jal Shakti Abhiyan Water Week is being celebrated Awareness Day from 22nd March to 27th March 2021, in which the institute will share with all stakeholders the importance of water and water is life as the subject line. In this connection, the institute will make water awareness and the importance of water to all stakeholders under the water awareness and a digital oath ceremony being organized on 22nd March 2021 evening 4:30. Okay.
Okay, so hi everyone, and thank you all for coming to this event. Now, rainwater harvesting, as we all know, is like preserving the rainwater rather than like letting it run off. This rainwater harvesting has helped a lot in many of the states in India itself. For example, in Tamil Nadu, rainwater harvesting was made mandatory back in 2001. This has led to a 50% rise in water level in Chennai in 5 years, and the water quality has significantly improved. Similarly, the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has also invested in rainwater harvesting by making their new stations like fully rainwater harvesting compliant, and thus helping save water in Delhi. Now, that's all from my side. Now, I would like you all to take the digital Jal Shapath for which we have gathered here.
Shall I share that oath better?
Sure, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
One second.
Sir, allow कर दो sir students को.
Is it okay? You have to read out better, sentence by sentence, Harshit. We will pray. We will take a oath.
Okay, so तो मैं पानी बचाने और उसकी विवेकपूर्ण उपयोग की शपथ लेता हूँ. Kindly repeat after me.
Okay. मैं पानी बचाने और उसके विवेकपूर्ण उपयोग की शपथ लेता हूँ.
मैं यह भी शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं जल का समुचित उपयोग करूँगा.
मैं यह भी शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं जल का समुचित उपयोग करूँगा
तथा पानी की हर एक बूंद का संचयन करूँगा और कैच द रेन अभियान को बढ़ावा देने में पूरा सहयोग दूंगा. मैं पानी को एक अनमोल संपदा मानूंगा और ऐसा मानते हुए ही इसका उपयोग करूंगा.
मैं पानी को एक अनमोल संपदा मानूंगा और ऐसा मानते हुए ही इसका उपयोग करूंगा.
मैं शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं अपने परिवारजनों, मित्रों और पड़ोसियों को भी इसके विवेकपूर्ण उपयोग और उसे व्यर्थ नहीं करने के लिए प्रेरित करूंगा.
मैं शपथ लेता हूँ मैं अपने परिवार मित्रों और नहीं करने के लिए करूंगा.
यह ग्रह हमारा है और हम ही इसे बचा सकते हैं और अपने भविष्य को सुरक्षित कर सकते हैं. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, beta. Thanks, Ellen. Thank you, one and all. Okay. From today onwards, we have some programs. I will share you up to date, beta. Thank you, one and all. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Harshit. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's also